you new to printing and designing for print production? Well, our Intro to Prepress workshop is a course created for graphic designers and artists who are either working for prepress operations or designing for print. Get hands-on with our press to learn firsthand about plate making, ink formulation, press basics, and more. Then, measure and analyze all of your samples. Use the tools available in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator and other prepress software needed to prepare artwork for printing. A working knowledge of these products is required to participate. At the end of the workshop, you will get to see the results of all your great prepress work. Sunoco Institute workshops are comprised of small class sizes so that you're guaranteed to get the hands-on learning experience. We look forward to seeing you at Clemson University's Sunoco Institute of Packaging Design and Graphics.